right, we are working on the last unit of chapter 1, 1.9. Our learning target. You can identify if an ordered pair is a solution, vocab word from yesterday, to an equation. That's what we can do today. We can identify, remember solution meant true, right? So we're gonna, and now we got this new vocab word, ordered pair. So let's define it. Ordered pair is just a set of points, an x and a y. An ordered pair is just x and y. The first number is always x. The second number is always y. It will never change. It never goes yx. It's always x, y. Okay? Solution makes an equation. Remind me, what does it do?
True.
True. A solution makes an equation true. Very good. All right. So we're going to extend. Yesterday you identified if x was a solution to an equation. Today you're going to identify if points are a solution to an equation. So yesterday you just did 1. Today you're going to do a set of points. All you need to know for today is that a point goes x, y. And you've done evaluating before, you can do this. So to determine if ordered pairs are solutions to an equation, you just plug the x and y in and see if true. That's all you do. So you're going to plug the x, you're going to plug the y in, you're going to see if it's true. One step. That's it. For example, y equals 4x. My strategy when I first started this, I wanted to keep my brain remembering that a point is an x and a y. So I did that right away. So I know, now I look at this and I know that x is my 2, y is my 8. So now I'm going to plug 2 where the x is and 8 where the y is. So, plugging in, also known as evaluating, does 8 equal 4 times 2?
Yes.
Yes, it sure does. 8 does equal 4 times 2. So, yes, the point to 8 is a solution. So, next one gets a little bit harder. Y equals 3x minus 2. For the point 3, 7. Again, the first strategy I have is what is my x, what is my y? X is always the first one, y is always the second one. 3 is going to go where the x is. 7 is going to go where the y is. Plugging in, just plugging in what I have. Y, but y is 7. Does 7 equal 3 times x? X is 3 minus 2. Does 7 equal 9 minus 2? Yes, it is a solution. The ordered pair 3, 7 satisfies this equation. Satisfies, makes it true. Last one. We have, again, my first plan of attack is identify what's my x, what's my y. So I always do this. So now I'm going to put my x where the x is, my y where the y is. Rewrite. Does 4 equal negative 1 plus 5? 4 equals 4. Now, I happen to pick examples that were all solutions. They will not always all be solutions, just so you know. It just happened to be the case right now. I probably didn't realize I picked problems that were all solutions. So, plan of attack. The first thing I did is I wrote x, y. I did that. I identified what my x and y was. And then secondly, I just plugged in. So I really had 2 steps there. I wrote x, y above the points and then plugged in. I also put an arrow. You don't have to do that. It just helps my eyes. I look at this and I say, okay, where is this going? I follow the arrow. It's going to the x. I say, where is this y going? I follow the arrow. It's going to the y. It helps my eyes visualize. Okay? Okay, now we're going to continue through this. I want everyone to write an x, y above the x and above the y. So that should be your first step. You're writing an x, y above the x and above the y. So I have my 3 as my x, my -5 is my y. Now I'm putting the arrows. 3 is going to the x, -5 is going to the y. Here we go again. So now I have -5. Does that equal 3 minus 8? Yes. Another solution. What a surprise. All right. Now I have this point that I didn't put in parentheses. I'm sorry, that's my bad. 1 1/3. Oh, fractions, how you ruin our lives. But it's going to be okay. This is my x. This is my y. My x is going to go here. My y is going to go here. Plugging in. Does 1/3 equal 1 plus 2/3? There's no way.
No.
There's no way. Yay, we actually have a no solutioner. Because this would be 1 2/3, which is way bigger than 1/3. The next one is a little difficult. So it looks, it's really not too shabby. Again, I'm writing my x and my y. X goes here. Y goes here. Negative x. X is -4.2. So it's a negative 4.2. Does that equal 4.2?
Yes.
Yes, it sure does equal. This turns into positive 4.2. Sure does equal 4.2. Right? Okay. Looking at this one. This next one, I think it's the last. Is it the last one?
Yeah.
Sweet. So, -2, 3. I write my x. I write my y. Uh-oh. Put the arrows in. Plug in. 2 times -2. Oh, wait. I forgot to put my y first. Y is 3. Does 3 equal 2 times -2 plus 7?
No. Yes. Yeah, yes.
Does 3 equal -4 plus 7? Yes, 3 equals 3.
We're done. Yay.
Yes. And that is it for today.
Yeah.